Okay, today we're reviewing a knife that we received. As you can see, it came in a very nice box. It's got a knife sheath, ceramic blade. It feels good in the hand. It's got a good grip to it. It's lightweight. It is really sharp. So far it's been pretty effective with our slices are nice and thin, even. It does come with a lifetime warranty. At this point in the procedure, I've had it about a week. Very happy with it. It does seem to be of good quality. As you can see, the tomato slices are great. I have used it on a few other things, but I didn't have any bread to show in the demo. So it does wash real well. It cleans up real easy. It's got the serrated ceramic blade. Nice even slices. I don't have any complaints with it. It does clean very easily. I wash it by hand. I do not put it in the dishwasher, but I do believe it's dishwasher safe. I don't think you'd have any issues with that. As far as the warranty goes, it's real easy. You just log on to their website and give them the date of purchase, and basically they take it from there. Washing it off. It's very simple. I do tend to dry it right away after using it. Just my way of trying to keep my blade sharp for longer. Hope this review helps. I would have no problem referring anybody to buy this. It does seem like a good quality product.